Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to change the background image of the image using Photoshop. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon and like, comment, share this video. Let's go to video. Now you can see I have opened my two pictures. This is background picture. This is the picture I want to change the background. First I have to unlock this layer. Now first I have to select this object. For that I am using object selection tool. Now I want to remove these small parts. For that press Alt button and select this area. Now there also I want to remove this small part. Press Alt button and select this area. Now these parts have removed. Now I want to remove this small part also. Press Alt button and with this small part. Now you can see the object has selected. Now I have to add the marks for that. There you can see marks icon and press on it. Then you can see the background has removed. Now I have to with this background for the picture. For that first remove this lock icon and drag and drop this layer to this picture. Now adjust this picture. Now you can see the background is placed on the image. First click on this click button and now you have to drag and drop this image to like this up. Now you can see the background has changed. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon. Thank you.